In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a sales notification pop-up in Elfsight. Let's get started. To set up a sales notification pop-up, go to your Elfsight dashboard and search for the sales notification widget. Once you find it, click on it and wait for the editor to load. After it opens, choose a template that matches your website style. You can then start customizing the notifications by adding a new one or editing the existing sample notifications. Inside each notification, you can customize several details. You can add a custom message, set the notification time delay, upload or choose an image, and add a notification link that users can click. You can also enable a call to action button if you want to direct visitors to a specific page, and turn on a badge if you want the pop-up to look more prominent. Once you're done setting everything up, click Publish. Wait for the system to finish processing your widget. After that, select your plan if required, then copy the embed code provided by Elfsight. Paste the code into your website where you want the sales notification pop-up to appear, and it will start showing real-time styled alerts to your visitors. That's how you can use a sales notification pop-up in Elfsight. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.